Watch how I take a broken Talavera pot and some thrifted plates and turn them into stunning wall art. Hola, hola, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the process of creating an amazing mosaic for an outdoor wall, a project I designed on my iPad a few weeks ago. If you are curious to see how I came up with the design digitally, I've linked that video in the description below. And if you like to use this same template for your own project, stick around until the end of the video. I'll show you how you can download it completely free. Once I had my design enlarged to the size I needed, I gathered my materials: a broken Talavera pot, some leftover ceramic tiles from friends, and a handful of inexpensive plates I found at the thrift store. And here is how it all came together. how this mosaic bird came to life on my patio wall. I hope you enjoy watching the process as much as I enjoy creating it. If you like to use this same template for your own project, you can download it completely free on my Buy Me a Coffee page. The link is here in the description below. And if you want more mosaic inspiration, don't forget to check out my other videos where I share different projects and ideas you can try at home. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my upcoming mosaic creations. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.